Shubor nakashlem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Jingbiang jong ka Bording haki Jaka Jingsumar kadai ka wei na kibenta ki bakong san kabala ban penlong ya ki Jaka Jingsumar bakin yo ban ay ka jing shakri ka bak pakatam shaki pat ba la kadai haki Jaka sor na nong kendong ru kumju kumbalong benta ka Jylla Meghalaya kadai ka bala Lamkhmat hakani ka benta na pedeng ki wei de ki Jylla ka than chatai lamingi kabadan hadu south pa prapho khandai tali ki Jaka Jingsumar kibala yo Bording Lyngba ka Sngi lani kata ka solar energy kani ka jing Lamkhmat jong ka Jylla Meghalaya kala pau per thei haga jing Energy for Health Summit Northeastern Region Chapter 24 kabala penlong da ka Silco Foundation haka arpho phra bat arpho khandai tarik jong ubnai remphang hanong ba Guwahati kabalawan bane shimbenta da ki officer nakatanat jong ka kot ka khya jong baro phra tali ki Jylla ka than chatai lam ingi hagani ka jing yalang ye ka Jylla Meghalaya la Lamkhmat da ka kong iba manlang nongbri kabadai ka State Program Manager jong ka National Health Mission ka Sarkar Jylla haga jing don lang ki wei de ki officer bat doctor jong ka tanat ka kot ka khya na ka Jylla hagini ki Sngi ki officer jong ka tanat ka kot ka khya ka Jylla Meghalaya kila yo ru e ka jing yaro na ki wei de ki Jylla ka than chatai lam ingi halor ka jingla ka jongki ban pentri kambha ya ka Bording da ka jing trelang ringkat bat ka Silco Foundation haga jing lang ka bala penlong kerpang Banyamir bat ajing mut hapadeng ki Jylla ka than chatai lam ingi hagani ka Sngi la yo iru ye ka jing don jong ka jing pen inam ye ki tiar ba pher ki bayade bat kumno ban penbit penbiang bat ban penbha ya ka rukom Jingsumar shaki pat ba khamtam kito ki badan shaki than nong kendong kum ka Jaka bu e ki dawai udron ban penpoy ye ki dawai bat ki wei de ki tiar thamai ki ba pedan kam Lyngba ka Bording jong ka Sngi
in plus 43 degrees. It has even as 12 plus hours. So if you take in this ambient temperature, I can promise you around.
Send you two forms. I'll just give a brief and then we can walk through. The lady just stepped out, she'll come back, right? So this does the primary consultation anywhere you want, and it allows doctors to be remote, but it gives a complete experience of remotely controlling the devices and providing complete primary healthcare. Right? So for example, if the doctor is somewhere else, patient is
with COVID-19 that we were looking out for partners because many of the people had the challenge of coming to the health facilities because it was critical because of COVID-19 and we were not able to provide the services also. That's how it all started, that we were looking for a partner, and we've been very fortunate to have established that relationship with Silco from the year 2020 onwards in the month of June. So we have started the solarization. That's one aspect in which we have solarized more than 360 sub-centers and 50 PHCs in our state, and we look forward to complete the entire 600 health facilities by 2024, perhaps maybe in the month of December. That is the first phase in which we have taken on that challenge, despite a state like Meghalaya, which has approximately 36 lakhs population, with a village of more than 7,000 villages, all scattered around the beautiful hillocks that we have, and also we have more than 1,200 villages which are difficult and hard to reach. So these are the realities that we all have to face. Having said that, the solarization now we are doing it it's still under progress. With that, from the year 2020 till now 24, we have had a number of challenges when it comes to maintenance of the equipments that we have in these health facilities. We've had time and time discussions with the team, and also with my colleagues, and also with the district who are also here with me today. They are the ones actually who are actually running it. I sit in the state, so it's like I just have review meetings with them just to understand how is it going. So actually, they are the ones who are actually doing the work. The the ENMs, the mid-level healthcare providers, and also the chowkidar who is posted at the sub-centers. So what we have done in our state is we have completed this 3 years, so it was difficult to get the spare parts, considering that we are in Shillong, in Meghalaya, so many of the spare parts we had to get in touch with them and they identify a local supplier for us, so it takes time. Even then, in spite of all that, we are able to somehow continue this training and capacity building, which we have done for all our frontline workers, that is the ENMs again and LHP, because they are the ones who are there in the health facilities day in and day out. They are the ones who actually, are the key people who can maintain those equipments. It's not us at the state, who sit. They are the ones who actually requires that support. So we as a state, we have, done whatever we can. But I still know that they still have a challenge. But what is there to do work if you don't have challenge? That's where the best ideas comes from. That's where all innovations come from. Yeah.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center